Imagine a world where milk and bacteria battle it out in a dance of transformation, culminating in a delicious, creamy concoction we know as yogurt. This isn't a new invention. Oh no, the art of making yogurt has been passed down through generations, tracing its roots back to around 6000 BC in Central Asia. Back then, herdsmen carried milk in animal stomachs, which not only kept it safe for transport, but also fermented it into a tangy, thick substance. Little did they know, they had stumbled upon a process that would stand the test of time, a process that continues to evolve, innovate, and tantalize taste buds worldwide. Fast forward to today, and yogurt has become a staple in many of our diets. It's more than just a quick snack or breakfast companion. It's a versatile ingredient, a probiotic powerhouse, and an endless canvas for culinary creativity. To understand the magic of yogurt making, we dive into a conversation with a modern-day yogurt maker. It begins with milk. They share, the fresher the better. Next up, heat, just enough to kill any existing bacteria and provide a clean slate for our yogurt cultures. Then we introduce our heroes, the bacteria, Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus, two strains that convert the milk's lactose into lactic acid, thickening the milk and giving it its signature tart flavor. But the future of yogurt is not just about the traditional process. It's about pushing boundaries, exploring new frontiers. Plant-based alternatives are on the rise, with companies like Danone venturing into the world of dairy-like milk alternatives. The goal, to offer the creamy indulgence of yogurt without the dairy, appealing to an ever-growing consumer base, seeking plant-based options. Moreover, flavor innovation is taking center stage. Think tea infusid yogurts, a trend inspired by the popularity of iced tea as a refreshing summer drink. Such unique flavors are not just about offering novelty to consumers, they're about merging health benefits from different sources into a single enjoyable experience. As we look towards the future, one thing is clear: the world of yogurt is evolving, and it's evolving fast. Whether it's the rise of plant-based alternatives, the exploration of exotic flavors, or the resurgence of traditional fermentation techniques, the yogurt of tomorrow promises to be as exciting as it is delicious. So here's to the humble yogurt, a testament to the transformative power of food and a symbol of culinary innovation. Stay tuned, yogurt enthusiasts, the best is yet to come.